everybody, this is Dr. Navnit Gupta, practicing pediatric ophthalmologist from Bhubaneshwar. In this video, I am going to tell you the importance of eye health, the effect of lockdown on our eye health, myopia, its treatment, and what we can do during this lockdown to take care of our eyes. Eyes, as we know, they are important sense organs. Most of what we perceive comes through the sense of sight. So the importance of eye health can never be underestimated. The lockdown has forced many of us indoors. Most of the children, most of the young adults are spending hours together in front of the laptop screen, computers, mobile phones. This has led to rise in complaints like ocular strain, watering, fatigue, headache, eye pain, dry eyes, and development and progression of myopia. Myopia, as we know, that it's an ocular disorder in which distant vision is blurred and near vision is clear. This happens because parallel rays of the light coming from infinity focus in front of the light sensitive retina. So there are two types of myopia. One is axial myopia, one is curvature myopia. Axial myopia, the length of eyeball is increased, and in curvature myopia, the front surface of the eye, that is cornea, is more curved. So treatment of myopia is very simple. The eye care physician usually prescribe glasses or myopic lenses or contact lenses to treat the myopia. Now, what we can do during this lockdown to take care of our eyes? During this lockdown, please try to take a note of the time you spent in front of the laptop or computers. And when on the laptop or computer, try to take short breaks in between work. Remember the rule of 20. Every 20 minutes, take a break for 20 seconds. Look at a distance of 20 feet and beyond. Try to take rest in between work. Give a gentle massage to your eyes. Simple ocular exercises can help. Frequent use of lubricants if there is eye strain or if there is symptoms of dry eye. Reduce the time spent in front of the screen. Try to talk to friends, try to talk to the family members, develop some new hobbies. Try to play indoor games with family members. This can distract you away from the screen and help you. Thank you.